Welcome back. Now, one of the ways that we can manage our projects is to move items between projects. So, for example, we can take one to-do list or a to-do list item and we can move it. So, in this case, we can take this entire to-do list, we can click Move, and we can move this to either start a new project or we can move it to an existing project. Once we have the project in mind, we can click Move this to-do list. Then that to-do list is going to be in one of our non-starred projects. So if you recall, we starred one project, and that's why that project is in this area. We have another project which is not starred because it's not one of our primary projects. So we're going to click Explore Basecamp here. And what we're going to do is we're going to find that to-do list. And we're also going to find all of the discussions that go with that to-do list. We can go back inside of that to-do list now, and we can move that to-do list back where it was. And then that to-do list will be back where it was inside of the other project. We can take another route and we can copy that to-do list to another project. So we can go back inside of the project, we can click Copy, and we can copy this to-do list to another location. We can copy this to another project. We can include the comments, preserve the due dates also. And we can copy the entire list to an existing project. Now, one of the ways that we can manage dates when we are working on a project is to do so within the calendar. You can go to this calendar area and you'll see that we have several to-do lists. Now, what we can do is we can move the dates around by dragging and dropping. So for example, we have a meeting planned on the 16th. We can move that meeting to the 14th. And that'll be reflected now inside of Basecamp. We can then take a to-do item, we can click on it, and we can drag it to another date. In fact, we can drag other to-do lists to other dates. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.